Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to Namecheap hosting. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is log into our Hostinger account and navigate to the DNS Zone editor. Here you will find your unique name servers, okay, and they typically look like this. Copy these exactly as they appear. You'll need them for your following step. Now you need to update your name servers in Namecheap. So access your Namecheap account and go to your domain list. Click Manage on your domain and then locate the name servers section. Select Custom DNS and paste the hosting and name servers that you had previously copied. Save these changes and this will initiate the connection. Now, DNS changes take time to spread across the internet, so this will be between 48 and 24 hours for full propagation. During this period, some users may see your old site while others may actually see your new one. Once this is complete, your domain will point to your Hostinger hosting, and as I mentioned, this will be after the 24 to 48 hour period.